Hey, my name is Tim. I'm part of the Smart Garments Lighthouse project led by Aalto University. To finalize the Lighthouse project, in the last months we have conducted user studies in order to evaluate the user experience and wearability of the thermal garment and the VR sauna experience. We have also been looking into how different thermal patterns, be it dynamic or static ones, cause differences in physiological responses. For example, sweat rate, heart rate, or eye gaze. Hence, in the future, we can design a haptic VR system that adapts automatically to the user's status or emotional status. So currently we are analyzing the data that we collected in these user studies and wrap up the Lighthouse project.
Hi, I'm Volker Helste from Filmakademie Baden-Württemberg. As we close the chapter on Fate of the Minotaur, our Lighthouse project and narrative VR experience, we are excited to share a recap of our final evaluation from late January. For this, we transformed our studio into an immersive playground, offering multiple scale options from stereoscopic 180-degree film to interactive single and multiplayer modes. A highlight was the 8x8 meter free roaming setup, which quickly became a crowd favorite. Additionally, we featured implementations of the AR Magic Lantern by UPF and the variable interfaces simulating thermal effects by Aalto University. Our nonlinear storytelling had players debating the fate of the Minotaur, with almost half choosing to let him live and the others sealing his fate, demonstrating the emotional depth and engagement of the experience. And the story continues. We are thrilled to announce that Fate of the Minotaur has been selected for the XR competition at the New Images Festival in the center of Paris this April. The myth lives on. Thank you for being part of this journey.
Hi, this is Christoph Lutteroth from the Reveal Center from the University of Bath, and we have just released our Race Yourselves Exergame in the MetaQuest store. It's a big achievement. It wasn't easy. We had to do a lot of work, a lot of optimization, and now our game runs at more than 70 frames per second on a Quest 3 headset. And it took us quite a while to get there, and we've also had the opportunity to demo it to a lot of people. Recently, we demoed it at Brussels at a meeting of other XR researchers and industry people, and they all really liked it. So please try it out and let us know what you think. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Narcis Parés and I am the leader of UPF's Full Body Interaction Lab. In this video, we would like to look into the future of the Augmented Reality Magic Lantern, or ARML. Now that we have advanced our prototype from Technology Readiness Level 4 to Technology Readiness Level 8, the ARML is ready to be industrialized. The Open SDK that we have developed facilitates rapid prototyping from within Unity. In our collaboration with the Lighthouse project called The Fate of the Minotaur by Filmakademie Baden-Württemberg, the ARML has been applied to onboard the users of their experience before they don a head-mounted display. The conversion of their Unity application to the ARML was a matter of only a few hours of work thanks to our SDK. But we are also thinking about other applications. For example, for children that have to endure long stays in hospital, using the ARML to motivate them to leave their room and meet other children using their own ARML. The future of the ARML looks brighter than ever, and we are very happy to offer it to the XR community as an open access technology.
Hello, I'm Adrian from Atlas V, the team in charge of the Aardman Immersive Exhibition project. We've spent the past few months finalizing our prototype, which is now almost ready to be showcased. The character animation for both our linear scene and our interactive scene has been completed thanks to our brand new animation pipeline. We've also finished our work on the environments, which blend handcrafted 3D models and Gaussian splats created from the sets of Season 7 of Shaun the Sheep. In addition, our sonic landscape has also been dramatically improved with spatialized sound bites taken straight from the show. Now, we just need to make a number of gameplay adjustments, add one last light interaction, prepare our final renders, and we'll be ready for our demo in Lyon, which will take place in late March. See you there, and thank you.
Our first level is almost finished. We added more mission objectives and traversal passages, which the players need to maneuver through. The hub world of the game is getting more and more polished towards the final look. Currently we are implementing new assets like a table for the level selection or a customization station in which the players can select their individual looks. At the moment we are working with stand-in models as the player character and the corresponding assets are currently in the making. The development of the boss level is almost finished. The boss is fighting with flames and projectiles against the players, from which they have to hide or dodge as they are throwing cards with fossil fuel at him. Soon the scene will get the corresponding graphics as we are currently working on the model for the boss.
We are back with another update on Crew Together XR, our immersive team development experience. We have finalized our tutorial and also have a great 2-player demo. Perfect for understanding what Crew Together is all about in just 5 minutes. And the best moment? When players realize they need to communicate, share information and use tools to solve those puzzles. In Mission 5, we've brought AI-driven interactions to life. We have dynamic texts, AI-generated voices and animated characters all come together to create an AI with split personality. It invites players into a mysterious game, but can they win? We are making great strides on immersive team collaboration and we'd love to hear your thoughts. Want to learn more about Crew Together XR? Check out our brand new website or contact us directly. We are always looking for curious minds and testers.
Our team recently showcased the mixed reality application demo at the Stereopsia event in Brussels and the Virtual Dawn community event in Tampere. On the web app side, we've been refining existing features and implementing new ones. Pain assessment feature now shows where the user felt pain during the exercise. Feedback from the professional testers has helped us enhance the user experience, leading to a more user-friendly editor. The first professional tests wrap up successfully with great feedback. More tests are on the way. For the XR app, we are fixing major bugs and introduce key improvements. Exercise games now adjust to the user's height and arm length, and infographics provide clearer guidance for Potion Maker and Hype-Up games. Patient testing is underway and giving us good feedback for the future improvements. Additionally, we are researching the Galaxy Watch app and plugging for Unity to track heart rate during the XR gameplay.
Our latest developments include the addition of new motif packs in the library to address the challenge of populating 3D worlds with animated non-player characters. The mode Compose has been added to our portal, offering a unique experience in crafting new animations. Select the mini patterns from our inventory that must appear in certain time steps and let our AI complete the rest of the animation for you. Finally, we are excited to present our updated retargeting that maps a generated animation to a Mixamo character rig with one click.
Hi, this is AI Rodney Mullen from Reality Crisis Finland. Our Intelligent Spatial Computing and XR development platform, IXR, aims to evolve real-world sensing AR functions by developing an AI-driven intelligent layer that reads and understands the surroundings within a specific context. In our case, in the context of skateboarding, the system will detect skatable objects and shapes from the environment, analyze them, and creates environment-based trick suggestions, skate challenges, and game content based on the user's unique physical world setting. Our framework can later be adapted to serve other use cases. Using computer vision to find spots in AI to imagine what tricks could be done there. A little peek into how a skater's brain works.
Thanks, that sounds cool.
It's wonderful to hear that excitement. Think of it as a key unlocking new possibilities in your skate journey. Each spot becomes a canvas and every trick a story waiting to be told.
Hello, this is Crew and here are our updates. This week we gave a 4-day workshop to 6 students from Digital Arts Bachelor in ESA Saint-Luc, Brussels. This allowed us to test our X framework, as most did not have any experience with Unreal Engine, motion capture and live immersive experiences. We gave them a template and they had the freedom to create their own projects and use our ready-to-use tools. We integrated our animation subsystem course in one of the projects. It was easy to use and understand for them, and it also showed us how we can refactor this module for an easier user experience. We additionally did a recording to test Circa, our archiving tool. It allows us to now record a whole project and replay it either from a spectator's or third-person point of view.
Great news for Virtual R3. We've been granted a project extension to develop 3 new objectives enhancing our system's capabilities. One of these is already a reality. We have successfully developed the tracking and playback mode. This new functionality that allows medical staff to record a path with its movements and play it later for an exercise. Meanwhile, objectives 1 and 2 are progressing well. Designs finalized, purchases are complete, and components in production. We've also enhanced the immersive experience with a kitesurfing VR scene set at Sammel Beach, integrating kite physics. Also, Virtual R3 was present at Stereopsia 2024, sharing our progress with the VR tech community. Our work has also gained media attention in multiple newspapers and digital media, and we have already submitted a contribution to an international conference. We are now focused on completing all objectives and preparing the next Finland meeting in March. Stay tuned for more updates from Virtual R3.
I'm Professor Ian Biscoe at Design Academy and I'm standing here in the Trans Realities Lab. We're working here and talking today about XRIT. XRIT stands for Extended Realities Intraverse Toolkit. We were looking at how can we provide higher fidelity network spatial environments for remote collaboration. XRIT allows us to now build those environments much quicker.
The plan for this project is to integrate things like motion capture and elements of virtual production so that we can stream all of that information, what they see, what they look at, the cameras that are pointing at them, into all different instances of Unreal, so everyone, no matter where they are in the world, on this intraverse, are all on the same page about what everyone is doing.
So in the next step, we want to set up specific experiments around collaboration in engineering, in education, in research, other areas of science, where current tools like Teams and Zoom, which are very limited, and allow these people in different locations to work more immersively.